welcome to my channel.
Okay, so we arrived at our accommodation, and that's our luggage, and that's me.
That's me.
Okay, let's go. Let's take the lift, and then we will go to our room because I already do the mobile check-in through the app. Let's go.
Level 11?
Yes. Oh, please use key card. Okay, I need to turn off this video then. Okay, so time for
Room tour.
room tour.
What kind of stomach?
So this is a suite room type. So we have, this is the door, and then this is kind of like, I don't know how to say that, a small kitchenette that you can make coffee, and then there's also water here. I don't know what is inside. Oh, refrigerator.
Is there any food? Nothing.
Nothing.
And safe.
Oh, okay. Deposit box. And then you can sit here if you want to eat.
What's this? Dare day. Dare you try crab?
What? Oh, craft cooking. So they have some of the event that we can go with. See, this is so nice. Like, you can have the tables over here, and then the light, and then after that,
Beautiful art with my feet stepping on it.
and then you can sit here on the sofa while you are watching television.
Let's turn on the TV. Let's see.
Okay, what happened? Loading.
Oh, come on. Is there any options?
Usually, I'll show you the view. It's city view. This is basically like the office center. There's a lot of tall buildings in here. Okay. Are you good? Okay, let's continue our room tour.
There is no YouTube.
No YouTube?
I can't find YouTube.
Okay.
But by the way, this is that.
Oh, by the way, there's a cute mirror over there, and then
It enters. Go, bedroom. My favorite part.
yes. So this is a bedroom with another TV,
Probably doesn't
the same
have
size, huh?
YouTube. Probably doesn't have YouTube.
Well, I don't know.
So much fun. By the way, there's also a telephone over there.
Yep.
And
Okay. And then we still have one room.
which is the bathroom. A
Bah.
bathroom. Shower. Ooh.
So toilet over there, and then shower. Oopsie.
I don't.
And then there's a big mirror over there and wastafel. What are you doing?
Nothing. This is closet. Oh,
Uh-huh.
they give us free toilet papers.
Well, in case if we need to change it.
There's a free bag too. Bye bye.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, by the way, this is goes to the entrance door. So basically it's like a square, like a circle. Hey, Mitska. Hey. Shh. Okay, so we are going to take a rest.
A long rest.
Yeah, it's already like nighttime. I know that the sky is still bright, but this is summertime, so the nighttime is kind of like quite late.
Ow.
What are you doing? Okay then, say bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
The next morning.
Okay, good morning.
You want me in the picture?
Would love to. Where is that? Okay. Good morning, everyone. So we are looking for a restaurant for a breakfast. I think this is the restaurant. Why no one here? Let's ask. I think like everybody is still sleeping probably, except that gentleman that we met in the elevator that said that he wants to be in your picture. Should we wait? Hi! Time for breakfast. Pancakes, sunny side up, egg,
And then some honey.
honey for pancakes, and then English breakfast tea. Another pancake for Miska.
What is this?
That is breakfast sausage. And we are waiting for butter. And Miska sing. BTS mode on. Happy breakfast. Okay, so we're done with breakfast. The breakfast is so big, so we have takeaway. And now we are checking in the pool.
And it's foggy.
It's foggy. Probably because of the different temperature between inside and outside. See, this is kind of like quite warm. Where should we access this?
Just go. Just turn it on.
Okay. Oh my god, look at my phone. My phone is foggy. Can you bring this? I need to clean it. So the pool is locked and we need to open it with our key room. This is the pool that Miska want to check. Do you want to check the water? Ah, this is good. Whirlpool. And then we can sit over there, having a relax. What's that, Miska? Yeah, our room is in 11th floor. How's the water, Miska? That's good. But they say that they are open at 10 a.m.
That's a long way.
No, it's not. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Oh my god, look at my camera.
Also have the same thing. Okay, let's go back to our room and get ready for our next agenda. Bye-bye. We are having lunch in Tiger Noodle Restaurant. Miska enjoying noodle.
That's a big portion.
It's a big portion, yeah. Everything in here is a big portion. Actually, this is appetizer, and that is a main meal. But look at them. The portion is like the same. Oh, and Miska also has this. It's mango flavor green tea.
It's so sweet but good.
This one, the tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for rinsing your tongue after spicy. It's not spicy actually. This one is spicy. Happy eating. So is that the color that you chose, Miska?
Of course.
For your hand or for your
This
soap?
is my
Okay. This is the place for doing manicure and pedicure. Look at my nails.
my dream world.
We are in Chinatown in Houston, and this is the K-pop shop.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
But there's even 7 months.
Maybe you can ask how much is that? Wow.
Wow. I do.
Oh, this is mini album.
I still don't know.
Yeah.
I can't.
Do you want to ask for light stick?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, there's one here. There's even.
Special light stick. Official light stick 3. Is that the newest one?
I'm shivering.
We need to ask how much is that.
I
Huh?
have enough for my pocket.
Well, ask first. Let's go. Okay, so we already explored Chinatown. I went to salon, get my hair done, and we went to Mart, and look what Mr. found. Ta-da-ta-da!
I got a little bit too excited.
Yeah, maybe we can do a what do you call unboxing? Unboxing? Unboxing?
Unboxing light stick.
Unboxing light stick. But we don't have the battery yet.
So it won't turn up.
Okay, it's okay.
But,
Let's open it.
wait, let me read this, the back. In case there's any. Okay? Yeah, I'm
What
good.
say?
Avoid high temperatures or humid. Store at room temperature. Do not allow the LED lights to shine directly in the eye. Be careful not to drop or apply aggressive damage. It may infect the LED light color. Do not swallow hard or put them in the mouth. Use Brandon.
I don't think we can hear your voice.
By the way, I got my nails done. Mama
Mommy too.
I got the classy. Mom got the cool style.
And this is also purple, right? It's
Hey.
purple.
Technically, it's pink for me.
Pink purple.
Pink.
Our combination. Color favorite combination.
Time to unbox it. Ah. Okay. Ah. Come here. Woohoo!
There's something here.
Yeah. Instructions.
We need to find battery first, and then we will show you.
Yeah. Look, there's no battery. See?
Yes.
No battery. I like it. It has diamond on it.
Woohoo!
You say the fandom like carrot?
Carrot.
Carrot. It's not the vegetable. But carrot is like the
Fandom. 17 fandom.
and onion.
Okay, I'll get the bubble tea because it's already ready.
And I'll be trying to put this on.
Oh yeah, because this is important so that you will not drop it. So this is handheld. I'll grab the bubble tea, okay? This is the bubble tea. Okay, this is mine. I don't know if I can. I cannot grab two of them, so one by one. This is yours. Mine is.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.